Hello students, welcome to Amity tutorial. This is Sheila Mishra. Today we will discuss the topic basics of computer graphics. The content we will discuss today is basics of computer graphics, applications of computer graphics. What is computer graphics? The computer graphics is one of the most effective and commonly used way to information in the form of graphics objects such as picture, charts, graphs and diagram instead of simple text. It is also process of generating, manipulating, storing and displaying graphics objects. For example, pictures, charts, graphs, diagrams. Computer graphics makes it possible to express data in a pictorial form. Computer graphics objects are presented as a collection of discrete picture elements. The pixel is the smallest screen element. Graphics should be generated by controlling the pixel. The control is achieved by setting the intensity and color of the pixel which compose the screen. Here two important terms, rasterization and scan conversion. The process of determining the approximate pixels of representing picture or graphics object is known as rasterization. The process of representing continuous picture or graphics object as a collection of discrete pixels is called scan conversion. So here we will discuss what we can do with the graphics before displaying it on the screen. So answer is graphics allow rotation, translation, scaling and performing various projections before displaying it. It also allows to add effects such as hidden surface removal, shading and transparency to the picture. User can edit graphics object with using keyboard, mouse or touch sensitive panel on the screen. There is a close relation between input devices and the display devices. So graphics devices is equal to input devices plus display devices. So what are the advantages of computer graphics? High quality graphics display on PC. It provides tools for the producing picture, produce animation using static image with the computer graphics, produce one-dimensional image in two-dimensional or in three-dimensional using different simulators. Using motion dynamic tools, user can make objects stationary or the viewer moving around them. Using update dynamic, it is possible to change the shape, color or the other properties of the object. So here we will talk about applications of computer graphics. User interface. Visual objects which we observe on a screen which communicate with user is one of the most useful application of the computer graphics. Plotting of graphics and charts in the industry, business, government and educational organization drawing like bar, pie chart, histogram are very useful for quick and good decision making. Office automation and desk publishing, it is used for creation and dissemination of the information. It is also applicable in the computer-aided drafting and designing. It uses graphics to design components and systems such as automobile bodies, the structure of the building, etc. Simulation and animation. Use of graphics in simulation makes mathematical model and mechanical system are more realistic. Art and commerce. There are many tools provided by the graphics which allow users to make their picture animated and attracted. Other applications are process controlling, cartography, education and training, image processing. So here we will talk about the applications in detail. So the first application is presentation graphics. In this application, reports are generated on slides or transparencies. It is normal use to summarize financial, statistical, mathematical, scientific, and economics data for the research. Graphs and charts can be 3D formats to make the presentation better. So here different types of charts and graphs are shown. Through this we can present the graphics. So the second application is entertainment. It is used in making motion pictures, music, videos and television shows. So here are some running pictures on the screen which comes under the category of entertainment, which is the application of graphics. So the third application is graphical user interface, GUI. The major components of GUI interface is a window manager that allows a user to display multimedia windows areas. Interface generally comes with a menu and icons for the fast selection of processing options. Icons is a graphical symbols designed to look like a processing option. These are the different icons for the graphical user interface. Fourth application of graphics is AutoCAD. Use of computer graphics is in design process of engineering and architecture system. AutoCAD applications are designed to create building, automobiles, aircraft, spacecraft, textiles, and more models. So this design is created with the help of AutoCAD. So the next application is computer art. Computer graphics widely used in fine arts and commercial applications. Artists use a variety of applications like paint package, mathematics package, desktop publishing software, and animation programs. So see how beautifully this drawing is created. Next application is virtual reality. Virtual reality provides a very realistic effect using sight and sound while allowing the user to interact with the virtual world. So here in this picture, virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with the 3D worlds. So the next application is telemedicine. In this application, physician can consult with one another using video conferencing capabilities where all can see the data and image. It brings together experts from a number of places in order to provide better care. Also used in biomedical instruments like cardiogram, CT scan, X-ray. So here are some examples of telemedicine includes health education services, remote monitoring of vital signs, ECG or blood pressure, and remote doctor-patient consultations. So this is the next application of graphics, image processing. Image processing convert an existing image into digitized form by converting the image file format. Image processing technique is mostly used in commercial applications that can rearrange, modify image into different formats. Next application is education, a wide range of individual education software with multimedia. It is also used in classroom to enhance the educational experience and simplify teachers' work. In distance learning, where all students may not be at same place during a class. So students, here we discussed introduction about the computer graphics and its applications. Thank you.